Hi, this is Amrita from the Future Minds Institute, and in today's video, I am going to show you the best AI apps for coding, math, and to learn a new language. If you're using to learn with AI, the AI tool doesn't matter much, but the way you learn matters. The best AI learning tools don't just give you answers. They ask questions, clarify your mistakes, make you practice, and help you stay more consistent. So in this video, I'm going to be breaking down the best tools for math, coding, and learning a new language. And I'll tell you which ones are worth using for free and which ones are worth paying for. So let's start with math. Now for math, my top recommendation is Khan Academy with Khan Migo. Now I hope you know that Khan Academy is still one of the best credible free learning sources. It has structured lessons, practice courses, and a mastery-based approach. Now, Khan Migo actually adds on top of the Khan Academy learning. Now the important part is that it is designed to guide you, not just give you the answer. Khan Academy is one of the most reasonable AI tools out there, especially for school level math, SAT prep, engineering level math, and to use it for guided practice, almost like your personal tutor. Don't ask questions like teach me this. Ask questions like coach me through this step by step until I reach the final answer myself. Next is Wolfram Alpha. Now this is not exactly a chatbot, but for math, it is still one of the most powerful tools out there. It is a higher computational experience? No, because it computes exact answers, graphs, charts, and step-by-step solutions. Wolfram Alpha Pro features include step-by-step solutions, problem generators, file uploads, and more computational time. It's the best for algebra, calculus, statistics, engineering math, and you can also verify your answers other than an AI chatbot. So my math stack is actually very simple. Khan Academy, Khan Migo for added guided learning, and Wolfram Alpha for verifying your answers. Now let's move on to coding. So for coding, now the best app depends on your experience level. Now if you're a beginner, start with ChatGPT or Claude as a beginner. Ask it to explain code like you're learning, to quiz you, to create mini projects, and to help you review your mistakes. The key here is to not let AI write everything for you, because you're not going to be able to understand that. Now if AI writes the code and you don't understand it, then you're not really learning. Now for actual coding inside your editor, we can use something like GitHub Copilot. It is one of the strongest options. It includes 2,000 completions per month and has models like Haiku 4.5 and GPT-5. Now the paid Pro plan has unlimited code completions, model selection, and access to cloud agents. For more advanced learners, this is the workflow I would use. Now write the code yourself, then ask AI to review it, then ask what is the simple improvement I can make in my current project, and then after that you can ask AI to generate a small test to understand your coding capabilities. This teaches you better habits rather than just dependency. Now let's move on to language learning. Now for language learning, Duolingo is still the easiest starting point because it builds daily consistency. This free version is enough for vocabulary, understanding sentences, and habit building. But AI actually becomes interesting with Duolingo Max. Now Duolingo Max is a subscription above the superior Duolingo subscription, and it includes AI-powered features. Have you ever heard of role-playing and actually a video call with AI to learn a new language? Well, that's exactly what Max is. Now video calls lets learner practice daily with Lily, which is their agent, and roleplay creates real-world conversations with feedback. Now this is very important because most language learners are not failing because they don't know enough words. They are failing because they are not having real-world conversations with people in or in another scenario in that language. AI conversation practice can actually help reduce the fear of speaking in a different language for most people. Now here's my honest take. Duolingo alone is not going to make you fluent. Use it for consistency, then add speaking practice, guided learning, role plays, and the video call feature. For language learning with ChatGPT or Claude, you can try this prompt that will turn your AI tool to a personal tutor. So now what's the best paid choice? For math, Khan Migo is actually worth considering because it is affordable and education focused. Wolfram Alpha Pro is actually worth considering for serious and very complex mathematical situations. For coding, GitHub Copilot is worth it if you use it regularly. And general AI assistants are excellent for learning new concepts in bite-sized pieces. For languages, Duolingo is free, builds consistency, but Duolingo Max is actually worth it if you will use the video call and the roleplay features. This is my final takeaway. The best AI learning app is the one that makes you practice and builds consistency, not the one that gives you the fastest answer. For every subject, use AI as a coach. Make it ask you questions, check your reasoning, give feedback, and create the next practice session. That is how we use AI as our personal tutor and not just a chatbot. I hope you enjoyed this video. Like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.